Hey guys, so today we're gonna install our Rocket Money canards here in the back. First thing I gotta do is lift up the car, just so I can see what's behind the bumper so I don't drill into anything. So let's do that. So here I realized that the holes were too small. The drill bit I used was the wrong one, so I changed it out with the correct drill size. And then I went ahead and put in the rivet nuts. Now, when you're putting rivet nuts into plastic bumpers, it's best not to squeeze or not to compress them all the way, because you'll rip through the plastic and the rivet nut will not hold. So that's why I didn't go all the way down on the tool there. That's the first one, and then I'll just do the second one here. Now again, I did not go all the way. You will rip through the plastic bumper and your nut will not hold on. So this is side number 1, all done. It looks good. I like it. All it took was a drill bit, some nut rivets, and some bolts. I made sure to put some Loctite on these because having the kit on the car for a while now, and a lot of these come loose with the driving and all that. So Loctite, and looks good. I hope they don't fall off.
What we do here is go back.
So there it is, the final product. It's all installed now. And I think I kind of messed up on one of the sides where the angle didn't match quite the other one on the other side, but it'll be fine. So if you are doing this, just make sure the angles match up on both sides before you drill the second pair in, or the other side. There is a third one that will have to go underneath, but I'll do that one later. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.